Hey, so we just made a video here today just to show you how the orthotics are finished off. Once the consult is done inside the podiatry room with you, that's not where the actual consult ends, and that's not where the podiatrist job ends. So basically we have to design the orthotics up then by computer. They're then sent off to get 3D printed. So the 3D printed part is where you can see the black shells that are just down on the left hand side there, and that's the main supportive part that's really customized and really high tech. We then start to cover them, so obviously we've got to make these nice and comfortable for inside your shoes as well. Like, comfort is one of the main things to make sure that you guys wear it, not just how it functions. So the bottom part there that we just put on with the W, so that's upholstery grade fabric, so really high quality materials that are used within these. We then applied a Met Dome to this one. So that little blue patch, is there for someone who's got a bit of nerve irritation going down through the bones of their feet. And what that does is it then sits underneath the ball of their foot to splay their foot out, and that reduces that pain and that irritation through the ball of their foot. We then used an Ortholite cover on these. So Ortholite is the same type of material that brands such as Asics use within their shoes on the insoles for them. And that stuff's really good just for general comfort. It feels really soft, really nice underneath your feet, great first feel to it. So we do tend to use that as a base for a lot of our insoles, just for everyday comfort stuff. We then template it off to whatever shoe size that we need. From there, trim up around the edges, and then they're put onto this grinder. So once the edges are all trimmed up, we then need to make sure they sit nice and flush to the actual shell. So again, all done by hand. They're taken to the grinder, smoothed off around the heel, and then smoothed off around the forefoot as well, just to make sure that they fit nicely into that shoe and they look smooth. We then package them up, double check them over, quality control, put them into our customs clinic bags, and job done.